Thank you for joining this lesson. We are going to study indices, number 2 in this paper. We are told to solve for x, where we have 2x, or 2 raised to 2x plus 3, then minus 9 into 2 raised to x plus 1 equals to 0. Remember to subscribe to our channel and to share the link with friends. So what we're going to do here, because we already have 2 raised to an addition of some powers, we shall start by applying laws of indices. For instance, there is this law which says that when we have a certain number, then it is raised to a given index multiplied by the same number raised to a different index. We simply take the number and we add the indices. So this means now that we are at this stage, we can reverse the law and get back into this. So we shall split the power and say it's like we had 2 raised to 2x, then multiplied by 2 raised to 3. So we have 2 raised to 2x multiplied by 2 raised to 3. So that we have 2 raised to the addition of 2x and 3. Then minus 9, 2 raised to x plus 1 being equal to a 0. So now we can have this one sorted. 2 raised to 3 gives us 8. So we have 8 being multiplied by 2 raised to 2x minus 9, 2 raised to x plus 1 equals to 0. There is something common and we can let it to be a certain unknown. 2 raised to x, it can be let to be t, such that now this becomes 2 power x, and now we have it the power x multiplied by 2. So this becomes t squared. So we have 8 t squared minus 9t plus 1 equals to a 0. Then we solve for t. This is quadratic equation. Solving for t, we need a product of 8 and a sum of negative 9. So negative 1 and negative 8 will work out because they have a multiplication of a product of 8 and a summation of negative 9. Therefore, when we factorize this expression, we will get the values of t as 1 divided by 8 and the values of t as 1. Values of t as 1. So after this, now we should get the 2 possible values of x by saying 2 power x equals to 1 out of 8. This can be solved by expressing this one to its simplest base. 2x equals to 1 out of 2 cubed, which means 2 power x will be equal to, we take the reciprocal of half, which makes it 2, and the power becomes negative, so that we may say x equals to negative 2. X equals to negative 2. That is one of the values of x. The other one is whereby we shall say 2x, 2 raised to x equals to 1. We express 1 to the base of 2. 2x equals to 2 raised to 0. Because anything raised to 0 equals to 1. Therefore, we make it the same base. And we can again equate x to 0. So the values of x are 2. Either 0 or negative 2.